You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 19 over 60. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 5x. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Multiply the coefficients. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 20. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals negative 19 over 60.